In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WooCommerce language. If you want your WooCommerce store and WordPress dashboard to display in a different language, the good news is that this is usually very quick to do. WooCommerce follows your WordPress site language settings, so once you update that setting, much of the store interface will adjust automatically. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where WordPress keeps your site's general configuration options. From the Settings menu, click on General. That will open the main General Settings page for your website. On this page, you'll find a variety of site-wide options, and the one we need is called Site Language. Click on the Site Language drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available languages that WordPress supports. Go ahead and select the language you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you pick the correct variation if there are multiple options for the same language, since some languages have regional versions. After choosing your desired language, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is the step that applies the new language setting to your WordPress site. In many cases, you'll notice parts of the dashboard change right away. To make sure all the necessary language files are fully downloaded, the next thing you should do is go to Dashboard, then Updates. This area is important because sometimes WordPress needs to fetch the latest translation files after you switch languages. Once you're on the Updates page, scroll down until you find the Translation section. There, click Update Translations. This helps WordPress download and refresh the language files used by the core system, themes, and plugins where translations are available. Since WooCommerce relies on those translation files, this step can help make sure the language change is applied more completely. After the update finishes, your WooCommerce store should reflect the new language anywhere translations are included. If you still see some text in the old language, that usually means certain theme or plugin elements may not have complete translation support, but the main WooCommerce interface should follow the setting you just changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the WooCommerce language and updated the translations to help everything display properly.